Using Expedia gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to book travel accommodations easily. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Visit the Expedia website. Go to the official Expedia website or open the Expedia app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Will create a new account if you don't have one. Step 2. Search for travel options. Enter your travel details such as destination, travel dates, and number of travelers. Click on the search button to view available options for flights, hotels, or vacation packages. Step 3. Select your preferred option. Browse through the search results and select the travel option that best suits your needs. Click on it to view more details and proceed to the booking page. Step 4. Enter gift card information. On the payment page, look for the option to enter a gift card. Input the gift card number and any required PIN. Ensure that the details are entered correctly to apply the gift card to your booking. Step 5. Complete your booking. After entering the gift card information, review your booking details and total cost. If the gift card covers the entire amount, you can proceed to finalize your booking. If there is a remaining balance, you will need to provide an additional payment method to complete the transaction. In conclusion, using an Expedia gift card is simple and can enhance your travel planning experience. Enjoy your trip.